wish I was in Carrickfergus along the long road to the Celtic Sea. I would swim over the deepest ocean, the deepest ocean, to be by your side. But the sea is wide and I can't swim over, nor the fire, nor the wings to go fly. If I could find me a handy boatman to ferry me over to my loving night, my childhood days and my own reflections have all passed on like melting snow. My childhood friends and my own relations have all passed on like melting snow. I spent my days wicked and like a roving, soft is the grass and my bed is free. Oh, to be home now in Carrickfergus, along the long road to the Celtic Sea. In Calgary, it's been reported on marble stone as Glegacy, with gold and silver I would support her, but I sing no more till I got to drink. For I am drunk today and I'm sad and sober. A handsome rover from town to town, but I am sick now and my days are numbered. So come on, young boy, and lay me down.